Exceptional image quality, extreme performance, great value. Gamers often have to sacrifice one to achieve the other, whether it's reducing image quality to get those extra frames per second, taking a hit on performance to achieve a better looking visual, or emptying their wallet to get the image and performance they desire. AMD Radeon Image Sharpening, available on the new Radeon RX 5700 series graphics cards, is designed to give gamers all three of these benefits. Radeon Image Sharpening works by delivering crisper images at lower resolutions with virtually no performance impact. It is based on a contrast-adaptive sharpening algorithm that modulates the degree of sharpening depending on contrast, clarifying interior object details, while leaving high-contrast edges largely untouched. When paired with Radeon GPU scaling, RIS allows gamers to configure their games to run at lower resolutions to optimize performance, while still enjoying crisp, detailed full-screen visuals.